Today we're going to be showing you how to create a field boundary in our CLAAS Connect system. You'll see so far we've navigated to the farm management section, and then we've navigated using this left-hand menu here to then farm management and the field section. Within the farm management section here, this is where we would go to build up all of our master data. Once we're in the field section, we can then navigate to the top right hand corner, and we can simply just press the plus sign and press new field. Here we would then give the field a number and even the field a name as well. We can also give it a date and just a short note. If the machines have already been in the field boundary beforehand and we want the documentation from the machines, we just have to make sure we have to backdate this date to previous. We'll give it a rough cultivated area now. We can also then assign this particular field to a specific farm and also give it a type of agricultural land. To then draw the field boundary, we'll simply click on this particular field. It shows us the plus to go in and manually draw a field boundary. We can locate the rough area where we want to draw our field boundary. And for this instance, we'll just draw around our CLAAS UK headquarters. Now, to draw a field boundary, we're then going to use this middle icon here, and it's a simple case of literally just dragging and dropping and clicking the points down of the particular area, and we can be as accurate as possible by zooming right in and even then holding down the clicker to actually navigate the way around the field. And once we're finished, it's a double click just to finish then that field boundary. From there, we can then still adjust that if we want to make any minor changes, and also we can use this middle icon to actually put a area in the middle of the field to take out like a pond or a tree line or something, the pylon, something like that within the field boundary. So we can then click on that particular field. We can see the field boundary that we've then just drawn in the system assigned to that current field. We can see again the area, when it was valid from, and if we needed to, we can adjust this with a pencil at any stage. We can also jump back into the map to redraw, or again alter that field boundary or put an area under management inside that field boundary. And we've also then got the field history section. So in the future, if your field boundaries or area under management then change for that particular field, we can just add a new version of the field, and we can then switch between old previous versions and the new version that's been loaded in the system there. And this is the kind of field boundary that we can send directly to our CMIS 1200 GPS screen just in a couple of clicks, which is going to come in a later series. Thank you.